right, absolutely no water. No water. No water. No water. Water. None. Okay? None. This is what we woke up to. Kind of happened about midday, Christmas Eve. And so, no water. And this is just, I keep saying this, TVA, MLG&W, they were doing these rolling blackouts. And you do that, something's gonna freeze, right? Hubby said that something's gonna freeze if you do that. And then they were telling everybody conserve water. So like your apartment buildings, your bigger, larger companies, whatever, they're gonna have to conserve water. And then individual homes. So people were having, these no water, right? They were having the water shut off. They were having electricity shut off in the middle of the winter, in the middle of a freezing winter storm where people are literally dying because of the winter storm. Like, this is craziness. This is craziness. Be self-sufficient. I'm just saying, do what you got to do to be self. It's just frustrating, but we're gonna make it. Y'all see me, I'm dressed fully clothed because it was so cold in here because they cut the heat down, and I don't know why, but maybe to conserve the energy and the order, but abide by the order. But look, this is crazy, and they're gonna charge you anyway. Your bill's still gonna be high. MLG&W ain't gonna come down on a bill just because you cut your heat down. They ain't gonna do that.